Being the superintendent here, it's my responsibility to ensure this environment is conducive to learning. Also that it's safe, aesthetically pleasing for the students, staff, and community. There were things when I started here that needed attention right away, so I knew I needed help. And I reached out to Omni Energy Partners to do that, and the board understood the needs as I presented them.
This building was built in 1980. All of the original parts were still here, and it needed to be redone.
Indoor air quality was an issue. Efficiency, of course. There was no comfort.
The experience with Omni Energy Partners has been fantastic.
They presented different options to us from all the projects that we developed here at District. I felt that we could trust their judgment.
Mitsubishi Electric Trane was a valued partner for us. We wanted a system that would provide individual control of spaces. We knew that was important for the teachers to be able to control their specific environment. Wanted systems that would not take up the footprint of the classroom. Some of the classrooms are a little bit smaller than others. And as we took out the ceilings, we wanted a system that could be located in ceilings, that would be quiet and very energy efficient. So we looked at multiple VRF systems, and based on our evaluation of system, we visited some other school districts with the staff. We narrowed it down to Mitsubishi Electric Trane because of the performance in the market. And we've been very pleased with their support throughout this project.
And then we had the graduation taking place in our gym, and everybody was comfortable, cool. Everything was at the perfect temperature, and even wearing a suit coat, I wasn't getting hot at that point. So it was very nice. The current system is fantastic because the last thing that teachers and students should have to worry about is temperature. But when it's off, it's the only thing they're worried about. It is tremendous to be able to just know that you're going to walk into a classroom and it's going to be comfortable.
My recommendation to anybody else in this position, do it now as the funds are available to you, especially the energy cost for what the old equipment was providing for you.
The renovation process for both buildings was a huge undertaking. We had to do parking lots at both buildings. We needed a new multi-purpose room. We needed a new modular classroom building. We needed new windows. We needed a new HVAC system. And the whole purpose of doing this is for our students, for our staff, and for our community. We want to draw people to Salem to see how these schools look and how they are set up correctly to ensure that these buildings are conducive to learning. And Omni Energy Partners has made that possible for us.
We wanted to work with partners that shared values and principles that we had, because a lot of our work is based on client satisfaction and referrals and reputation. And when we surround ourselves with those partners that embrace and are committed to that satisfaction, it's absolutely critical to the success of the project.
We really want to listen to our clients, understand what their goals are, what their needs are, something they can be proud of.
So as a teacher, you're hoping to come into an environment that makes you feel comfortable. A lot of hard work goes into that, but it's also just the people that have created the environment that the teachers expect, and we want them to be comfortable, obviously, when they come into a room in terms of the feel of the room. But we also want them to feel accepted and appreciated because they are doing a job that is difficult, it is challenging, but it's very rewarding at the same time.